Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to CC someone when you reply in Gmail, the full 2025 guide. It's a super simple feature, but a lot of people miss it. So let's walk through it step by step. All right, so first open the email you want to reply to. Just click it once to expand the message. Yeah, pretty standard. Now, down at the bottom of the message, hit the little reply arrow. This opens the normal reply box. Nothing fancy yet. Here's the important part. Inside the reply box, look to the right for a tiny drop-down. It's like a small downward arrow. Click that and you'll see the option for CC. Gmail hides it a bit, you know. So don't worry if you've missed it before. Once you click Add CC, a new line will appear right above your message. Just type in the email address of whoever you want to include. And yeah, you can add multiple people if needed. Now just write your message like normal. And when you're ready, hit send. Everyone in the CC line will get a copy of your reply. Super straightforward. Quick tip. If the original email had CC recipients already, you can also hit reply all. That way Gmail keeps everyone included automatically. It saves a little time, if you don't want to add people manually. And that's it. That's how you CC someone when replying in Gmail. The full 2025 guide. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.